Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup Fun with Olivia. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my July Sipsby box. If you don't know what Sipsby is, it's a tea subscription. For $15 a month, you get 4 different teas to try out, and it's a really wonderful way to just figure out, for me anyway, it has been a great way of getting to know different types of teas. Those 4 teas that you get every month are supposed to equal about 15 cups of tea. And initially they have you do like a little survey about what kinds of teas you might like: fruity, herbal, caffeinated, non-caffeinated. They also ask you, do you like loose tea? Do you like your tea in tea bags? Those kinds of things. And so then they send you a box every month for you to try, and at the end you can kind of give them feedback as to whether you like those teas or not. Let's jump right in. It comes with this little flyer, and it tells you a little bit about each tea that you get, and on top of that it gives you a little discount code so that if you like it, you can go ahead and purchase more with your discount. Before we jump into the teas, I also want to mention that every month they send you this little muslin bag, which is reusable. And on the inside, they have disposable ones as well. They put a few disposables so you know that you can just dispose of them, or you can continue using the muslin bag, which I really like. So that is awesome. This is my 3rd Sipsby box, so this is my 3rd little bag, and I have been reusing these, so I'm really excited to have another. Okay, so the first tea that I am seeing here is by VAHDAM Teas, and it's called Turmeric Spiced, the world's freshest ingredients direct from India's choicest gardens, herbal tea. That sounds nice. Let's see what the description says. I'm gonna have to put my glasses because I'm blind. So I hope you don't get too much glare. I'm trying to figure out how to not blind you with the glare of my ring light. Okay, so let's look at the description of turmeric spiced herbal tea. It does give you suggestions as to the temperature and how long to steep them for. I'm not going to go into that. I'm just going to talk about the ingredients and the description. So the ingredients in this one are turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, black pepper, lemongrass, bergamot oil. So I will probably have to add black pepper to the do not send me teas with that. Black pepper does upset my tummy, and they do ask you in your survey, which you can update at a later time. You can go and edit it. I just, you know, if you have a nut allergy, for example, you can put don't send me anything with nuts. I never thought to put black pepper because I'm such a tea newbie that I didn't know you put black pepper in teas. So I might still try it just to see if maybe in a tea it doesn't upset me, because it sounds so yummy with turmeric, cinnamon, ginger. Oh, that sounds so yummy. So I might try a little bit, but I'm a little bit worried about the black pepper. Okay, the next one in here, and you do get 4 baggies of these. I'm showing you 3, but there are 4. Okay, the next one is by Stash, and it is called Super Mint. By the way, all of my teas are caffeine free because I am trying to go caffeine free. They trigger my migraines too much, so all of them are caffeine free. And let's read the description for this one. The ingredient is wild mint, and that's it. This says, grown in Stash Tea's Pacific Northwest backyard, wild mint has a high menthol content, which makes Super Mint a uniquely cooling and delicious take on mint tea. So this will be nice to try. I do like mint tea. So mint is something that I normally can't have because it will upset my tummy, but I've had teas with mint, with peppermint, and I've been okay, which is why I'm still gonna try this, because maybe the black pepper in the tea, or maybe because of the process it's put through, it might not affect me, kind of like mint, and I really enjoy mint teas, so I'm excited to try these. Again, you get 4 of these. The next one is by CHARITEAS. That's cute. CHARITEAS, and it is orange grapefruit wellness, and it looks like loose tea, and it does have a resealable little baggie. So let's go ahead and open that if I can. Oh my God, that smells so orangey. I'm flashing you. Look at this, you guys. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Oh, that smells so orangey. Yum. Okay, let's read. Let's read. This one says, let's look at the ingredients. Apple pieces, sorry, I'm putting it in front of my face. Apple pieces, carrot flakes, blackberry and eucalyptus leaves, beetroot pieces, hibiscus, lemongrass, flavored tangerine, orange slices. This is right up my alley. The description says, say hello to the morning with this lively herbal infusion. Oranges and hibiscus come together for a bright pink brew, and eucalyptus adds an herbal note and divine aroma. Ooh, I'm excited about trying this one. Ooh, that smells so good. Okay, let's reseal this up. So this is supposed to be enough for 3 to 4 cups. And this is why they send me the little muslin bags and the, you know, disposable ones, because I did put in my little quiz that I do want loose teas. And if you've been watching me on Instagram, you've seen that I have become a total loose tea junkie. All right, last but not least, we have by CEDERBOS maple flavored Rooibos tea. Ooh, on the back it says family made since 1851. Ooh, 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 let me see if I can, yeah, because it's in a little plastic bag. Oh my God. This smells like pancakes. Ah, maple. Well, yeah, maple flavored Rooibos tea, and I love Rooibos tea. Oh my God. Okay, let's read the description for that one. I could just sit here smelling it, you guys. Okay. Ingredients are Rooibos and natural flavoring. Interesting. So it doesn't say that it has, because this, oh, I guess it's just maple flavored Rooibos tea. So natural flavoring must be from maple? I don't know, or maybe Rooibos is just like that. Okay, the description says, hearty CEDERBOS maple Rooibos tea is a warm and comforting, naturally caffeine-free and antioxidant-rich drink with lightly sweet and spicy flavors. This, I don't know if I would drink this for summer. I'm still gonna try it, but I feel like this would be a nice thing to have in the winter because it smells like maple syrup. Like it would be so comforting to, like, instead of a pumpkin spice coffee, maybe have this. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, I'm excited, you guys. So these are my 4 teas: the maple, the mint, the orange grapefruit wellness, and the turmeric spice. Yay, I'm excited to try these. Do you guys like tea? Let me know if you do and which ones are your favorites, because I'm still trying new stuff. Put it down below. And if you don't, which one of these would you try? Put in the comments down below. I love reading your comments. Before I forget, I will put a referral link down below. If you use my referral link, you get $5 off your first box, so you would get it for $10 instead of $15. That's actually what I did. I used Rebecca from Frugy Blog's referral link to start on my subscription, so I got my first box for $10. So you're welcome to use the referral link. I think I get points or maybe $5 off a box for me. I'm not sure, but you don't have to use it if you don't want to. You can go directly to Sipsby.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.